Hello and greetings.
Kia ora.
Namaste.
Ni hao.
Hola.
At RI, we're a part of a group named the Social Changency.
How long has the group been around?
It's more than 10 years old.
Wow, that's a long time. That's almost as old as me.
Each year we have a new group of amazing students guided by Mr. Zenki.
When do you meet?
We meet every Friday at 1 p.m. in the media room.
In our meetings, we're all about planning special activities
To make our school more socially aware,
About the environment
raise unity,
being kind,
Helping others.
and so much more!
By encouraging the school to be more open to diversity and more understanding of others, we hope the positive vibes will spread.
You may think this is quite a far-fetched club, but the Social Changency actually has a long line of successful projects.
Oh yeah, I remember seeing on your YouTube channel that you got a bunch of kids to make a giant peace sign in the school field.
Yes, that social change group did that. Our aim is to help make the world a better place. Also, we're happy for new people to join.
For term 1, we are hosting a race unity poster competition. More deeds to come about that.
In term 2, we will holding activities about the environment for a whole week.
That's cool. Later in term 3, we'll be having Peace Week. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding.
Who said that?
Albert Einstein.
And then, in term 4, our plan is a secret, so stay tuned for more info. But you should be excited.
That sounds amazing! Continue to listen to the daily notices and look out for any posters we may put up around the school. And if you like what you heard, come see us on Friday.
Positive change only needs to start with one person doing good things. Peace out!
Peace out!
Peace out!